Top 10 Solar powered classic watch with sunray dial, 37mm stainless steel case with Hardlex dial, pulse movement with analog display, stainless steel link bracelet with push button clasp.
GPS solar watch to offer anytime, on-demand time adjustment. An exclusive Seiko ring antenna captures satellite signals to determine your precise location. Astron's GPS module is so efficient that it can identify your precise location and time using only the power of light. At the press of a button, Astron adjusts itself to your local time with atomic clock accuracy. Every day, Astron keeps that precision by automatically connecting to a satellite and adjusting the time for you. You don't have to do anything at all. Wherever you go, Astron makes time easy to manage. The dual time display lets you keep track of local time and home time.
Top 8 I would definitely recommend this watch. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand wound piece. More beautiful in person. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Top 7 Power reserve approximate 72 hour, 24-hour hand dial. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial watch. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. The quality is really outstanding at this price point. Top 6 Japan 21 Jewels self-winding automatic movement, stainless steel case with black resin strap, Hardlex Manor crystal watch, unidirectional returning bezel, luminous hands and markers, case size 42mm, case thickness 13mm. Top 5 Automatic movement with manual winding, accuracy plus 25 to minus 15 seconds, case material stainless steel, sapphire crystal watch, anti-reflective coating on inner surface, Lumi bright on hands and indexes. Top 4 Powered by light energy with no battery change required, This model has a 6-month power reserve once fully charged. Case diameter 44 mm. The sunray finish black dial features chronograph. Dial window material tab anti-reflective sapphire. Cloth push button fold over cloth with safety. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 43 mm. Case thickness 12.1 mm. Band material stainless steel. Top 3. GPS solar wall time. GPS control time. Time zone adjustment 40 time zones. Perpetual day and date calendar. Signal reception result indication daylight. Sapphire glass with Seiko proprietary and super clear anti-reflective coating. Top 2. Automatic with manual winding watch. Exterior crystal Hardlex watch. Band materials calf skin. Water resistant 10 bar. Top 1. Case material stainless steel. Yumi bright on hands. Weight of this watch is 95 gram. Stop second hand function. Screw case bag, see-through case bag. Case thickness 13.4 mm, diameter 42.5 mm.